I was recently talking to a very senior tech leader who had two layers of management under them in one of the largest tech companies in the world, and they are having a very successful time at that. And this person told me that I can't believe I'm leading this bigger team. They can't believe that they're leading a team this big, and that was creating self-doubt, that was creating fear, and that was stopping them from leading now their huge team effectively. And when we dig down into like, where is this coming from, right? It's so easy to ignore this and see that imposter syndrome or self-doubt is common for everybody. But we went a little bit deeper and we identified that this person has grown up in a family where he was always told to not take opportunities or to always told to follow direction. It was a very traditional, conservative family, and always told to follow directions of others. And because of that, this person has never led from the front. They have always followed. Another thing which this person told me, that I am an average person. I've never been like super smart or super successful. And this person said that I am an average person, like a matter of fact. And while if you look at their accomplishments, there's nothing average about that. The history of achievements of this person is not just superb, but also an example for many others. And he said that nobody wants to leave my team. Like, nobody wants to leave my team. Like, and he can't see that himself, because he has grown up with that view about himself, that I am average, I'm not some big shot. And because of that, he can't believe that he's leading this bigger team. Like, he simply can't believe where he is, and that is stopping him from actually leading effectively now on. And we looked at that and examined that, right? That is it true? Is it true that you can't lead from the front? Is it true that you only follow directions? Is it true that you are average? We looked at that, and he told me that because of thinking that he's average, he has continuously strived hard to be an overachiever, strived hard to do more than what is required, and that has led him to success after success. But he has never felt happy, right? So because of that notion of like you're behind or you're average and you have to make up, this person has become very well prepared. He walks into any meeting very prepared. This person has become very structured, very planned, very methodical in their approach. So they're very good strategically. And this has brought them to success that they have had. So the I am average has actually led them to work hard, to give it their best and actually succeed. And while at the same time, internally always feeling that I don't deserve this, maybe this is beyond me, or that like I can't believe I have this bigger team. So what we also saw, or what we also uncovered, that there's a huge benefit. He has built up skills which are from that narrative of that you're not good enough or I'm average, like hardworking, planning, preparation, being structured, managing time very well. All of these skills have come out of this notion that I am average, but there is also a huge cost. There's also a huge cost to their well-being, to their stress, which is not only there, but now they have two layers of management. So their teams are also like catching up or getting stuck in the same energy, in the same mood of always trying to do more, always trying to play catch up, because even though the results say otherwise, the view is that I'm just an average person. I'm not like an excellent performer, or I'm not a superstar or anything like that. And that was stopping them in their role right now. And this worldview especially about themselves, that I'm not up to the mark, I'm average, has brought them to where they are today. But the same thing is actually stopping them moving forward. And I asked this person, what if you actually take the benefits of living in a particular narrative so far, that I am average or that I can't lead? What if you can take the benefits of this, which is hard work, which is planning, which is always being ready, but give up or let go of all the negatives of that, or all the drawbacks of that, which is pressure, which is stress, which is not being able to take a break, which is not being able to spend time with family, because you always think that you're missing out on something at work. And I asked this person, what if you can do so? And we practice this. We practice role playing of a very high stakes meeting which this person was having, and we simply practice slowing down taking a deep breath, getting back into our body, almost getting into a meditative state. And this is one reason I recommend meditation, even 1 or 2 minutes of meditation for any leader that I've worked with, at least 1 or 2 times a day. Because then you build that ability to slow down, to notice where you are stuck, and then recenter, adapt, and be flexible with how you are being as a leader. Before you even talk about what you do, what you speak, what you communicate as a leader, if you are being in a state of self-doubt, fear, that I don't belong here, I am just average, that has a huge impact. And if you have a practice of meditation or taking a deep breath, and you can come back to your strength in your body, even if you use the same words, nothing else changes in your skills. Your impact as a leader will still go up, because we are addressing something which is so deep, and that can become a huge leverage for you to produce better results and to immediately shift your speaking, immediately shift your confidence, immediately shift how others listen to you and perceive you. And after a few weeks of practicing this, this person came into the next meeting very relieved, and he said, actually, like, I never realized that I am a superstar, that I am an excellent performer. Like, people see me as that, but I have been seeing myself as an average performer. And he was he said, I can now lead from boldness or from courage, rather than leading from a place of fear, leading from a place of that I am not where I should be, and then I need to do something to fill the gap. He simply says that I can lead for the love of my people. I can lead for the love of technology, which he loves so much. I can lead from the passion that he has for producing products that contributes to the customers. And he can actually lead from his passion now, rather than leading from fear and insecurity. And it can be as simple as that. It doesn't have to be complicated. So are you holding yourself back because of a story which has led you to where you're today, but it is not going to take you where you want to go? Because whatever brought you here, any strengths that you have built up over the year will become a liability in a different part of your growth. Can you see that? If you can see that, then it can be as simple as taking a deep breath, recognizing it, and then letting it go. And if you can't, reach out to me. Let's have a conversation. This is something so small and which can have a huge impact. So reach out to me if you want to have a conversation. This is what I do, and this is why I do what I do. Thank you.